how to fix voice chat option disappeared and replaced by voice data usage in Roblox. So if you want to fix voice chat option disappeared and replaced by voice data usage in Roblox, then just watch this video. So if the voice chat setting is missing from your privacy settings and replaced by a voice data usage, then it usually means that your Roblox is prioritizing safety options, or you need to re-enable your microphone permissions to trigger the voice chat toggle to appear. So what you need to do is enable microphone permissions. If your device does not allow the Roblox app to use your microphone, then voice chat features will automatically hide in the settings. So on your mobile, like on your iOS or your Android, you can open up your settings, then Roblox, and toggle on the microphone switch. Or if you're using your Windows or Mac, then you can go with your computer settings and then go with privacy and microphone and allow apps to access the microphone. Or you can just simply go with your in-game and enable voice chat. Once your microphone has access, the voice chat feature often reappears inside the game's menu rather than the main app setting. You can launch a voice chat enabled experience such as your mic up or please donate. Then click on the Roblox icon, which will be in the top left corner in your in-game experience menu. Then go with your settings and then look for the voice chat option and switch it from disconnected to connected. After that, the last option is to check account requirements. If the option is still not showing up, you must meet Roblox standard voice chat eligibility requirements, which is age verification, phone verification, and safety settings. Age is you must be at least 13 years old and verify your age using a valid government ID or by completing a selfie verification in the account info session. Phone verification, ensure a valid phone number and email are linked and verified in your account settings. Safety settings, head to the privacy and communication and ensure that use voice chat with microphone is enabled. With these, your problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.